Hey NailTubers, it's back. And this is for some very special ladies who've been rocking with me because it's been a while, hasn't it? Bougie nails on a budget. And guess what else? It includes tips and toes. Well, you guys already saw the thumbnail anyway. But I'm excited because as I did this set, I kept remembering your comments about bougie nails on a budget. And it kind of had me in my feels because I miss it as much as you do. Oh, so these are clear XL full coverage tapered nails. And you didn't see it, but I started with the base coat, which was cured for 30 seconds. So you're seeing the colors. Peach by Madam Glam on the pinky, index, and thumb. Then gray on the middle finger. And you'll see a speed up of the second coats too. You know, these colors aren't exactly what I would easily think to pair. Would you? And that's something I'd really like to get into more, like learning how to work unexpected colors together. And here's the speed up of the next coat. You know, it's funny because I get so conflicted around this time. Fall is my most favorite time of year because the temperatures are so right. But at the same time, I get sad because it's a sign that riding season is drawing to a close. I'd really love to move where it stays warm year round. As the ring finger gets Mahartt nail foil glue, that becomes cured for 30 seconds. I used this foil way towards the beginning of my channel, but I don't remember if it was a recorded video. Either way, I think it's perfect for like right now, you know, this time of year. It's bright, so it gives some summer vibe, and then the print hints away to the change in the season. I just think it's pretty. Now this video isn't going to be long because I should be doing a live today as well. So you guys are going to get 2 in one day. Remember I said I'd show you my school suitcase? And that won't be long either, so I look forward to you being there. I'm usually pretty decent at transfer foil, but I think my nail lamp is starting to give out because the other day I had a polish not cure all the way, and that was a first with this lamp. But this print came out fairly well with about maybe a 5% transfer fail, and I can live with that since these are for me anyway. So you can see, I did the foil for the ring and middle fingers, and actually there was so much more going on when I made this set, but editing was so overwhelming. I just decided not to include it. Besides, I wanted to show doing the pedi, right? But here's one of the moments when the foil didn't completely transfer. Thank goodness though, it did when I laid it right back down because I was worried it would take off some that was already there. That can happen. I have these orange stones and think they matched well with the darker orange in the foil. Now I can't remember if doing both coats was shown because remember I also said this program cuts things out when I speed up and I don't notice it until later. I'd be sitting here like, where'd that clip go? But everything else is self-explanatory as you watch. The gems are secured with bling gel, which was cured for 60 seconds. And also the glossy no wipe top coat was cured for 60 seconds. I didn't notice this until editing. There's a speck in that toenail. I guess I missed it and polished over it. Well, that sure worked, didn't it? I originally was going to sugar the pinky, but I figured I'd tie it in with the index nail and do some gems on it too. And that was cured for 60 seconds. So this is pretty as is, and I would even wear them like this, but I also found this teddy bear I hadn't used yet, and it happened to match the polish so well. I just had to include it. And I love how they turned out. Hit that like button if you like them too. And here's a playlist of past bougie nails on a budget. Now don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, and I'll see you in the upcoming live. Much love.